everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to disable NitroSense button. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now to disable the NitroSense button used to control fan speeds and other settings on some Acer Nitro gaming laptops, what you need to do is follow this step. So the first thing that you need to do is open NitroSense. Now if NitroSense button is active, it is likely linked to the NitroSense software. To configure the button or disable it, first open up the NitroSense application. Look at the fan control button in NitroSense. You will usually see an option for controlling the fan speed, lightning and performance. The button on your laptop is likely linked to this control. Number 2 is disable or resign the button. Check NitroSense settings by simply going on this gear icon right here and then look for an option related to the button mapping or hotkeys. Some models may allow you to disable or resign the button functionality. Disable the button. If NitroSense doesn't offer this option directly, try disabling any hotkeys or software function that's mapped to the button. Number 3 is disable via device manager. Simply head over to your start menu and then type in device manager and open it. And once you open up the device manager, find keyboards and system devices, and once you are there, look for your keyboard and any entry related to hotkeys or function. Disable the device. Simply right click and then select disable. This might disable other keyboard functions as well, so proceed with caution. Now once you do that, if you still want to completely disable the NitroSense button and it's not achievable through the software, you can check the BIOS settings, restart your laptop and enter the BIOS, typically by pressing F2 during startup. Look for a setting related to hotkeys, function buttons or advanced settings. Disable the NitroSense button functionality if such option is available. If it's not possible, then simply contact Acer support, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.